Journal tags with metallic accents is where this week's Emporium prompt took us for yet another way to add mixed media color. Join us as we talk through the making of 2 metallic mixed media artsy journal tags.
Hello, this is P.
And I am M. Mariah. Together we are PM Artist Studio. Now remember, the easiest way to show your support is by liking this video and commenting below. Now let's get started.
Don't forget to ring the bell.
Oh, she was always talking about that. All right, here we are. We're starting.
Here we are. We're starting.
So now, the thing, that little tag right there, those pieces, it was already started. And I think it was from the other tag video that I had done.
Oh.
And then this was your test piece.
Yes.
For our stencil butters that the Crafters Workshop sent us as a little sample kit thingy, which was really, really awesome. So these are tags from that other tag video.
Extremely awesome.
Lindy's metallic-y, because, you know, we're trying to keep everything shiny. Keep it shiny, y'all.
So now we have some more shiny. Shiny with body.
Shiny. So there was already a little bit of metallic to some of these tags, but I wanted to make sure that, number one, the background, there were some white edges there. And so one of the quick and easiest ways to do that is to just kind of come in with the color sprays. So you saw I did the pink, and then I put the metallic-y goldy Lindy's spray over it. You will notice that throughout this video, I am having much trouble with my art glitter glue topper. It's about to make me crazy. So I even just
gave it up and went to PVA.
I did. But you'll see me going at it again.
I want everyone to notice that lovely torn edge.
Oh yeah, she about freaked out on me. She's like, "Where's the torn edge?" Because I showed her just the back.
I spent 15 minutes cutting it out, tearing it very carefully.
Say, you cut that? That looks
no,
nice torn.
I tore it, and it's over there in the middle. I don't know if y'all know this or not, but it's extremely difficult to precisely tear in the middle of something.
True that. Yeah.
So I'm pretty proud of that.
Yeah, so after I had shown her like that I did the full size, she's like, what happened to my torn edge? Yeah.
Yeah.
There you go.
It's still there.
Still there. And then I still showed it to you.
Lovely green craft paper that we...
From a shoebox.
Shoebox. The shoes came wrapped in that. We just have a tiny bit
I'm showing
left.
it to her, and she's starting to say, and then I was like, yeah, see, there.
I'm like, okay, wow. I was ready to have some kind of
she
severe
had a
meltdown.
look. She had a look in her eye.
Like, okay, by golly, I don't know if you need me for anything else, but I'm pretty much done with that one. That was my contribution.
Yes. So this, like you said, it was a test, and it was 4 different ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, because it was the fuchsia, the gamboge. I
don't know what color the orange is called.
And then the limey
chartreuse.
Yes.
Not sure the name of the orange.
All right. As you can see, there's already some metallic-y over on this particular tag. If you are interested in the little squares, we've done a million things with the squares, and you know, kind of pick a video from the last few weeks.
But these are more diamonds.
Well, but what I was getting at there is that I put some links down below.
Okay.
That show you like how we start with the squares, and then even the tag video where where you might even see this original piece that I had started and just not finished, I think. It's been a little while. It's been in a stack for a long time. I was like, okay, I need to do something with this. So I had the other square. Now, not only to kind of emphasize, again, the colors. And so marigold.
Marigold, of course.
There we go, marigold. There are the 4 that were used on that fade. And I'll tell you, Pete did an absolutely wonderful job on that. That's our puzzle stencil. That's a good one. This is our broken lattice.
Puzzle is a wonderful one.
Broken lattice is not available just outright like in our shop. Either one. Website or on Etsy. You must special request. So, comment below. I'll get in touch with you and we'll work it out. But that's the broken lattice right there. And I thought it would be perfect with this turquoise. And I'm a little mad at myself. So here I did a very wonderful thing, which was put down the Seth After spray. And then I came back with the Lindy's Flat Fabio. I can't remember what the green is, but it's in those candy. It's like the, circusy colors or whatever. And look at how beautiful that is. But then I turned it over and smushed half of it out. I was a little mad at myself. I am really, really working at making some short videos. See, that's what happens. I'm working fast.
Just not in our repertoire, that short stuff. We're long.
We're marathon runners. We're not sprinters.
Steeplechasers.
I don't know what that means. I hope that...
That's a long track.
Okay. She's more sporty, which is funny, because...
I just know about that because I used to read horse books.
Oh. There you go. See, you came for the art, and now you're learning things about horses. Yes. See? More glue issues. I don't know what the deal was.
We need to order some more steel pens.
Yeah, that's the other problem, is that I think my pen is too short in my glue. And see how short that little booger is? And it keeps gooing up and drying up in the little metal tip. Then it comes out a bit too much in the regular.
I don't seem to have a problem with that.
Yeah, I know. Well,
you aren't
into precise gluing like I am.
I don't.
That's not her department.
I just squeeze a bunch out there and smudge it around.
Wait, you see my little scraper thing? That thing has been around forever. Tell you what, it's quite the tool. And I super sped up during the blow drying. But I wish I would have done that while I, see how it's all smushed out. Now this stuff is the Finnabair Metallique stuff. It has a very interesting smell. I would say that it's not horrible.
That lingers.
But it stays around.
I can still smell it.
Yeah. P thinks it smells like, like new baby dolls.
It just takes me back to, Christmas.
It's very sweet smell. Anyway, if you are like me and get a little overwhelmed by smells, probably not the product for you. Because it's strong.
But it has great effects.
Yes.
It's
easily
beautiful. Applied.
It's very beautiful.
And it's user-friendly.
Yeah.
A little goes a long ways.
No doubt. And I was bound and determined just to use every little bit. I was not going to put anything in a bag on this.
Is that what was going on?
Yes. Like, I am using every single little bit, or that might go in the trash. So I think there was a tiny little piece over there that ended up in the trash.
Well, I'm proud of you, Mom.
Thank you.
I'm looking at your tag right now. I can see the logo.
Yeah. Now, I kind of wish that I could have come in, like, again, if we would have been spending a little more time on this, it would have been cool for you to bring in perhaps like a mixed media with the circles in the background.
Oh, the modeling things?
Yeah, or either like just the texture, the clear gesso.
Oh, yeah.
With the squares, and then put this over top of it. That would have just
added
to kind of
another
repeat that. It would have made it really, which we probably still could do it. I think it might be cool.
Well, I don't think that you're going to get the laydown that you need because you've got enough of a surface.
Yeah.
I don't think that's going to work now.
Now you'll see I'm doing the rub off here. This is one of the techniques that P constantly uses with all of her stencil and texture paste. And that's my little catch paper there that I just used. It's building up quite nicely.
It's looking good, huh?
Love, yeah, the nippers. Notice the X. If you've seen some of our videos, you know why that's there. It's because I messed it up at one point in time, and for some reason it has just come back to life. I don't know. Hey, that speaks volumes of the We Are Memory Keepers crocodile. Tell you what, thing just keeps on going even after you think it's broken.
Well, the only thing is it doesn't do fine papers. It will do heavier papers, but it kind of just eats up.
Yeah, it gnaws at it.
Yeah, it looks like the cat's been chewing on it.
And this thing is awesome. It's a bit clunky as far as storage, But oh my gosh, life-changing. And it's a leather. It's made for leather. Yep. But it's fantastic. See, and this is that heavy watercolor paper that I'm punching through. Plus, you know,
hole punchers do not like the heavy-duty watercolor paper at all.
And see, that's why you need that big, long handle. It's the, you know, you get lots of leverage.
Torque.
There we go. See, once again, you came for the art. Now you're learning other things.
Oh, and this is happy mail.
Yes, because P wouldn't buy me the pretty happy slappy colors in the sorry ribbon.
I haven't found the bunch yet. I've been looking at them,
and it's kind of interesting that in the video here, and I was like, man, it's just really the Turquoise Stencil Butter is what you're seeing there. That was stenciled on. It's coming off really turquoisey. But the funny thing is like in the light, see, it goes a little darker. So I know it doesn't look like my blues match, but it does look quite good.
If you turn it the right way, they do exactly.
It's just I have so much bright light coming in on it, like you're only seeing that one hue of it. And that pink is awesome. And that was I would like to say that I planned exactly how these lined up, and that, you know, the blue was at the top and the pink, and it just sort of all came together very nicely.
The stars were aligned.
That's right. The stencil paste was aligned. Close-ups of the stencil butters, highly recommend them. It does take a little bit of getting used to. We're a little more heavy-handed here at the PM Artist Studio. We're used to heavy-duty textures. Stencil butters.
I'm used to
just cramming it in there.
Yeah, you notice the orange kind of blobbed out.
Just remember, that was our very first go at it. So.
And also, I was working with wrinkled paper. That might have something to do with it. You might want to iron your paper out and
applying the butter. Leave us a comment, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already,
and don't forget to